Dear friends, welcome to today's electrical safety awareness program. Today's subject is tying of animals by animal owners to the electrical line pole. Now, please first look at the photo. To this pole, please see these animals, these animals are tied. Please see. They are here. Please see, please see, please see, please see. And first, we will concentrate on this point. Now, if we go to the legalities of this tying of animal with pole, the first, as per section 138 of I Act 2003, to tie the animal with line pole can be interpreted as breach of this section on the basis of this wording in the section, interference with work of licensee. Definitely, tying of this pole is an interference with the work of electrical supply company. How? If some work is to be done on this pole, a workman cannot climb this unless and until these bullocks and carts are moved from here. This is a interference of the right of way of this line or pole also. That is, tying of a pole can be definitely categorized as the breach of section 138 of I Act 2003. Now, secondly, as per CEA regulation 19 bracket 3 and 64, to tie the animal to pole is breach of these regulations of 2010 safety measures. Now please how? As per regulation number 19 into bracket 3, except nominated authorized person, nobody can climb or touch this pole. Hence, the owner has to touch the pole to tie the animal. And here itself it becomes the breach of regulation number 19 into bracket 3. Now, as per regulation number 64, it to tie the animal to the pole becomes its breach as per regulation 62. How? As per regulation number 64, nothing is to be stored or dumped under the line. Here, car is stored and the animal is there exactly below the line. Thus, this is the breach of this regulation number 64 also. Now, during such patrolling, as per IS code 5613, rule 17, the electrical supply company shall carry out at least once in 3 months detailed patrolling of the line. During such patrolling, such tying of animals can be eliminated by making the owner of the animal regarding hazards of such practices along with legal consequences. But it is my observation that this practice is not being taken seriously. It means from both sides the matter is being taken very lightly. Ultimately, sometimes it is resulting in electrocutions also. Fourthly, there seems to be no aluminum bobbin to neutral and circle binding not proper. Guarding seems broken. Please see. Please see this. Please see. Please see the neutral. There is no aluminum bobbin to the neutral, and for shackle binding on conductor, prescribed aluminum tape is to be binded, and then with prescribed aluminum binding wire, shackle binding is to be done. But it seems not, and there is no guarding on this guarding bracket. This guarding chip, there is breach of regulations provided. Metallic fixtures on pole do not seem efficient yet. As per regulation, these, these, these metallic fixtures with this guarding channel or angle, these clamps, they all are to be efficiently earthed. Even shackle nuts are also to be earthed. They are not earthed. There are number of breaches from both the sides, and from both sides things are taken very lightly. Now, if the bird sits in between phases, there will be bird fault. See, the bird is sitting on this wire. You may say that there is no provision of bird guards. But in olden days, there were conical type bird guards. Now they are not in practice. On every support, bird guards are required to eliminate bird faults. I think whatever guidance is to be given on this photo, I have tried to give. And in case some clarification is required, kindly do post. And whosoever needs the explanation of this video in Marathi, they can post me. I will again type all the points in Marathi along with this video and post. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel for such safety related videos, because I will not be in a position to post all these videos to each and everybody. And the elite public, technical public can educate animal owners, farmers, etc. regarding this matter, and can reduce the electrical hazards and accidents, and even electrical fires also due to sparking on this pole. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer MSEB and National Safety Council member. Kindly subscribe.